Lady Jane Eyre has pledged her support in exchange for a dragon to guard the Vale. And Lord Cragen Stark has promised 2,000 men